Are there any fees associated with transferring EBT funds to a bank account?
Hello everyone! In today's video, we are going to discuss a crucial topic for many recipients of Electronic Benefits Transfer (EBT) funds. Are there any fees associated with transferring EBT funds to a bank account? This is an important question for many who want to manage their funds in the most convenient and cost-effective way possible. Let's dive in.
What is EBT?
First, let's understand what EBT is. Electronic Benefits Transfer, or EBT, is an electronic system that allows state welfare departments to issue benefits via a magnetically encoded payment card. It is primarily used for food assistance programs, but also other types of public assistance are included.
Can I transfer EBT funds to a bank account?
Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Currently, as of my last update in September 2021, EBT funds cannot be transferred directly to a personal bank account. This feature is not offered due to the nature of the benefits. EBT funds are intended for specific purchases, such as food or other essentials, and typically cannot be converted into cash or transferred to a bank account.
Are there any fees?
Given that direct transfers to a bank account are not allowed, the question of fees associated with such a transfer is moot. However, it's worth noting that there may be fees associated with the use of your EBT card, such as transaction fees, out-of-network ATM fees, or replacement fees for lost or stolen cards. These fees can vary by state, so it's best to check with your local agency for specific details. In conclusion, while the idea of transferring EBT funds to a bank account might be appealing, it is currently not an option provided under this benefit system. However, understanding how your EBT card works and any potential fees associated with it is essential for effective financial management. Always be sure to stay informed about your benefits and consult with your local agency for the most accurate and up-to-date information. Thanks for tuning in today. We hope this video has helped clarify some aspects of EBT funds and their usage.